Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best phone camera lenses available on the market right now. Whether you're a casual smartphone photographer or a budding pro, these lenses can completely transform your photos. You can find links to each product in the description below. So let's dive in and see which lens kit is the best fit for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the budget-friendly phone camera lens, upgraded 3-in-1 lens kit. Priced at just $13.99, this is the most affordable option on our list. It includes a 198-degree fisheye lens, a macro lens, and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, making it a versatile choice for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. Design-wise, this kit is lightweight and easy to clip onto your smartphone. The lenses are made of plastic, which keeps the cost low, but it does mean that durability and image quality won't rival more premium options. In terms of performance, the macro lens delivers decent close-up shots, while the wide-angle lens is great for capturing group photos or landscapes. However, the fisheye lens introduces noticeable distortion, and the overall sharpness of images is just average. This lens kit is ideal for casual users who want to experiment with creative photography without breaking the bank. The main drawback is the build quality, and the image clarity is not as sharp as higher-end products. But for the price, it's a fun and accessible way to get started with smartphone photography. Coming in at number 4 is the BNIFI phone camera lens kit with a 28x telephoto lens, priced at $19.99. This kit is designed for users who want to capture distant subjects with clarity. It even includes an E-clip and a tripod, making it a great option for outdoor enthusiasts or event photographers. The telephoto lens is the star of this kit, offering impressive magnification for long-distance shots. It also features an individual focus ring, allowing you to fine-tune sharpness for your subject. The build quality is decent, with sturdy materials that feel reliable during use. However, the kit's design is bulkier compared to other options, which might be a drawback for users looking for portability. The tripod is a welcome addition, but it's not the most durable and may struggle with stability in windy conditions. This kit shines in scenarios like sports events, bird watching, or outdoor festivals. However, it's not as versatile as other kits on this list, since it focuses primarily on telephoto capabilities. The lack of additional lens types, like macro or wide angle, limits its appeal. Still, for under $20, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to capture distant subjects on a budget. At number 3, we have the GODA phone camera lens kit, which offers incredible versatility with its 14-in-1 lens setup. Priced at $20.79, this kit includes wide angle, macro, fisheye, telephoto, CPL, and even fun kaleidoscope and radial filter lenses. It also comes with a selfie ring light with 7 brightness levels, making it a fantastic choice for creative photographers. The lenses are crafted from finely processed glass, which ensures sharp images with minimal distortion. The wide-angle and macro lenses are particularly impressive, delivering clear and vibrant photos. The selfie light is a thoughtful addition that enhances your shots in low-light conditions. Build quality is solid, with a portable and easy-to-use clip-on design. However, the sheer number of lenses can feel overwhelming to beginners, and the kit doesn't include a tripod, which would have been a nice touch. This kit is perfect for users who want a wide range of creative options without spending a fortune. The variety of lens effects allows you to experiment with different styles of photography. On the downside, not all lenses are equally useful, and some feel like gimmicks. Still, at this price point, it's hard to beat the value and versatility offered by the GODA kit. Taking the number 2 spot is the BNIFI phone camera lens kit, the premium option on our list at $35.99. This kit includes a high-quality 28x telephoto lens, a 0.6x wide-angle lens, a 20x macro lens, and a 198-degree fisheye lens, making it a well-rounded choice for photography enthusiasts. What sets this kit apart is the superior optical quality. The telephoto lens is excellent for capturing distant subjects with clarity, while the macro lens provides stunning close-up shots with vivid details. The wide-angle lens delivers expansive views, perfect for landscapes, and the fisheye lens adds a fun, creative touch to your photos. The lenses are crafted with multi-layer optical coatings, ensuring minimal distortion and vibrant colors. The build quality is exceptional, with a solid, professional feel. However, this kit is bulkier than others, and the price might be a barrier for casual users. This lens kit is ideal for serious smartphone photographers who want top-notch performance and versatility. While it's on the pricier side, the investment is justified by the excellent image quality and durable build. The only real downside is the lack of portability compared to lighter kits, but for those who prioritize performance, this is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit. While the price is currently unavailable, this kit has earned its top spot thanks to its outstanding build quality, performance, and thoughtful design. It includes a 0.45x wide-angle lens, a 15x macro lens, a rechargeable LED fill light, and a travel case, making it perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. The wide-angle lens captures stunning, distortion-free photos with sharp edges, while the macro lens excels at close-up shots, revealing intricate details with precision. The glow clip LED light is a standout feature, offering 3 brightness settings to illuminate your subject naturally in low-light conditions. Build quality is premium, with aircraft-grade aluminum and multi-element coated glass, ensuring durability and clarity. The included travel case and quick-release lanyard are practical additions for photographers on the go. The Zenvo Pro Lens Kit is ideal for anyone who values quality and convenience. Whether you're capturing landscapes, close-ups, or low-light scenes, this kit delivers excellent results. The only drawback is the lack of telephoto capabilities, but for most users, this won't be a deal-breaker. Overall, it's an exceptional product that sets the standard for smartphone camera lenses. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.